Utah's system-to-system interchanges, like our Spaghetti Bowl where I-80, I-15, and SR-201 converge, are complex, with some areas accommodating more than 20 different ramps, making it difficult for drivers to notify emergency responders where an incident is located. The Utah Department of Transportation, in partnership with emergency service providers, will be adding ramp identification signage to each system-to-system location. These signs will be placed on each ramp every 1/10 of a mile and will identify the county, the interchange, and the ramp where an incident has taken place. This new ramp signing effort will be installed beginning in fall 2017 and will enhance existing 911 emergency response technology and reduce response time to incidents. Visit us online to learn more about how UDOT is committed to safety and to keeping Utah moving.